Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Sagar Group of Institution. And today, the topic of Pharmacognosy Cytochemistry 2 Practical. We are going to study about morphology, microscopy, powder extraction, powder microscopy, and extraction of cinnamon bark. So the object for today's practical is to perform the morphology, microscopy, powder characteristic, extraction, and detection of cinnamon bark. Cinnamon, first of all, cinnamon is the common name as such. Like in COVID-19, everybody knows cinnamon is widely used, and is commonly known as cinnamon bark, kalmi, dalchini, Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is basically is indigenous from Sri Lanka. It consists of biological source. It consists of dried inner bark of shoot of copseed tree of Cinnamon xylicum belonging to family Lauraceae. Morphology: cinnamon are either in a single or double compound quill. Quill is the drug when it is dried dried, the bark when losing the moisture get turned around. That is called quilling. So the cinnamon bark is generally a quilled or double compound quill, and its size varies from 1 meter length to 0.5 mm thickness and 6 to 10 mm diameter. The outer surface has yellowish brown color, having longitudinal lines of pericyclic fiber and scar and holes representing the position of leaves. This is a basic morphology where it is describing the color of the bark. We have all came across cinnamon. Cinnamon is brown, yellowish brown in color, and it has longitudinal lines and little small holes which resembles the position of leaves or the lateral shoots. The inner surface is darker than the outer surface. अगर हम दालचीनी की लकड़ी को देखेंगे तो वो inner surface is little darker than the outer. Cinnamon has a fragrant perfume, taste aromatic and sweet. Yes, Adarsh, anything?
मैम स्लाइड्स busy नहीं है.
Slides क्या हो रही है?
स्लाइड्स दिख नहीं रही हैं.
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रही?
नहीं मैम, बस आपका वो जो पेज है वही दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, स्लाइड्स नहीं दिख रही है?
यस मैम.
एक सेकंड. अभी?
नो मैम.
ओहो. It's Germany one. देखो आदर्श अब. Can you see आदर्श?
मैम अभी लोड हो रही है. यस मैम, अब दिख रही है.
ओके.
ओके मैम.
Okay. So this is the morphology of cinnamon. हम cinnamon के जो bay leaf के नाम से इसकी leaves को भी use करते हैं as a spice. Microscopy. The microscopy of cinnamon bark is here. It is described. It consists of the topmost layer of pericyclic fibers and sclerites, secondary phloem, medullary rays, and in the secondary phloem you can see the phloem fibers, mucilage cell, and the oil cells. These are the basic microscopy structure of cinnamon bark. Okay. How to perform microscopy? This is the point where we need to understand how the drug is going to be cut for the particular section. Here the drug is section for cutting the microscopy. You need to cut the drug in a transverse section. So you need to boil the drug first. The drug is supposed to be boiled and in a water. And when the drug is soft enough to cut in small pieces, it is then transferred from the boiling pot to the watch glass with a small amount of water. Once the drug is little cool, you need to cut it into transverse section with the help of a blade. From cutting it from the inner to outward direction, अंदर से बाहर करके cut करना है, just to make sure that it has a thin fine section enough. And then the fine thin section is placed into a slide, and when the slide is used. The section is on the slide. You have to mount this section. For this, you need to place a small drop of a bleaching agent on this cut section. And when the bleaching agent is added, it removes the excess of color of, because the cinnamon bark is as such a very dark in color. So need to add a small drop of floral bleaching agent. And after that bleaching agent, you need to put some little drop of chloroglycinol, and then a drop of HCl, and then a drop of glycerin. This is complete process is called as mounting. And when the drug is mounted, you can observe this section in the microscope under the 10x objective lens and 10x eyepiece. And when you see this, somewhat the section are going to would like to see this like this. The main active constituent for why we are extracting, why we are taking this drug, just because it has some important chemical constituent. Cinnamon contains 10% of volatile oil, tannins, mucilage, calcium oxalate, and sugar. Volatile oil contains 50 to 65% of cinnamic aldehyde, with 5% of 10%, 5 to 10% of eugenol, terpene, hydrocarbons, and small quantity of ketones and alcohol. Okay, so this is a main active constituent of cinnamon, that it contains cinnamic aldehyde. That is why a cinnamon has a specific odor, which gives them a specific spicy smell. Okay, because of cinnamic aldehyde, and it also contains eugenol. This is the one of the as this part of the topic. We need to understand how this cinnamic aldehyde and the eugenol can be extracted from cinnamon. Since we are taking this drug for the process of extraction, this is steam distillation. There are two methods we can opt for extraction of cinnamon. One is steam distillation method. For this, you need to take amount of 100 to 150 gram of mashed cinnamon stick with introduced into a steam distillation flask. Connected with a steam distillator via glass tube, and to a condenser retrieve the oil. Essential oils were volatilized with boiling water at temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 hours. The recovered mixture was allowed to settle, and the oils are withdrawn after steam distillation process. The product was collected and separated using separating funnel. The essential oils at the bottom layer settles at the bottom layer of the separating funnel and were separated several times until no oil were left in the separating funnel. To explain a small in a simple way, you have to take cinnamon bark and smash in small pieces, and you have to introduce in the distillation flask, where you have to use solvent as water as a solvent, and you have to boil it for 100 degrees Celsius for 10 to 5 to 10 hours. And once the boiling is done, you have to collect the extract, the distilled steam distilled extract, and you have to take it in a separating funnel. You all must have seen separating funnel. And in the separating funnel, the essential oil will settle at the bottom layer of separating funnel. Okay, and you can separate out by opening the knob of the separating funnel each time, and you can separate out the essential oils. Another method is oxalate apparatus. For this, you have to need 100 grams of cinnamon stick, where mashed in smaller pieces and placed inside a thimble made from thick filter paper, which was then loaded with main chamber of oxalate extractor. The extraction solvent you use ethanol. Okay, so oxalate apparatus is basically apparatus which works on the principle of cold extraction process. Since the solvent when it get evaporated get condensed, so it is a cold extraction process. Here the solvent for the oxalate used is ethanol. Since it volatile नेचर का सॉल्वेंट होना चाहिए जो इवेपोरेट होके जाए और कंडेंस होके ड्रग को एक्सट्रैक्ट करे. For this oxalate apparatus use, I'm going to the next slide. We're going to see the apparatus. And then the extract is collected in the brown bottle plant at the bottom, which is later extracted, and to remove the cinnamic aldehyde or extract of the drug. This is oxalate apparatus, lab level. As the picture is not clear, but we can see this is the part, okay, as a picture. So see, I'm moving the cursor. This is the oxalate apparatus. This is heating mantle, over which we have to place a round bottle flask containing the solvent. And on the solvent, there is a portion attached. This is the main extracting unit. Here, you have to place the drug in a thick filter bag. Here, this is the mouth. This is the mouth of the opening of the siphon tube. So you have to make sure that this siphon tube is closed. So you need to prepare a complete thimble just like your socks, the bottom is closed and you need to pack the drug in that thimble, and this the condenser, you remove the condenser, and in the thimble you place the drug, and you place the drug in this extracting unit. This is the this is the side tube from where the solvent will heat up, come in the steam phase. From the side tube it will go up. From here the steam will go up in the condenser. The condenser has a two openings. What this is the inlet and this is the outlet. Inlet is connected with the running cold water, and outlet with the running hot water, with the outlet or with the hot water. So since the cold water will come here, the steam will get contact with the cold water, will get condensed, and the condensed solvent will drop slowly on the drug, and and slowly the drug is going to be extracted with the solvent. And once it gets extracted from here, the siphon tube, the extracted drug will pass into the round bottom flask. Since the drug is non-volatile nature, every time when the solvent is heating up, the pure solvent is running, is going from the side tube. Same process, the steam will go up, get condensed, and will fall on the extra drop. The drop will fall on the drug. Okay, so remember this is the inlet and this is the outlet. Why inlet is near bottom? Just because hot water molecule will travel up, will easy to remove from here, and cold water will condense the steam sooner. It won't allow the steam to escape from the top opening. So this is the condenser. Okay, this is the condenser. This is oxalate. This is siphon tube. This is side tube. This handle is side tube. This is round bottle flask, heating mantle, and you can see the working in the next slide. Okay, I'm playing this. Okay, this is how you can see the solvent is. Okay, this is how the solvent vapor is going from the side tube. It is getting steam is going up, water in, water out. Steam is getting condensed, and as the solvent is getting condensed, जैसे से वो ठंडा हो रहा है वो ड्रग के ऊपर गिर रहा है. ड्रग हमारी इस सिंबल के अंदर पैक्ड है, और जैसे ही ड्रग एक्सट्रैक्ट हो रही है वो साइफन ट्यूब से एक्सट्रैक्ट होके नीचे हमारी राउंड बॉटल फ्लास्क में आ रही है ना. फिर जितने बार सॉल्वेंट वेपराइज हो रहा है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सॉल्वेंट जा रहा है, क्योंकि सॉल्वेंट का नेचर वोलेटाइल है. इसीलिए सॉक्सलेट एपरेटस में हमेशा वोलेटाइल सॉल्वेंट यूज करते हैं. नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्वेंट इज नॉट बीइंग यूज, है ना. इसलिए मैंने पहले भी बताया कि सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट के एक्सट्रैक्शन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है सॉल्वेंट कैसा है, क्योंकि किस तरीके से वो एक्सट्रैक्ट होगा, है ना. तो दिस इज द वे यू कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट सिनेमल्डिहाइड. Chemical test. So once we get the extract, you can extract, you have to go for the chemical test whether the process you have opted for the extraction is correct or not. So you have to place drop of oleotarin and dissolve in 5 ml alcohol, add it to a drop of ferric chloride in, and a pale green color is produced. Ceramic aldehyde gives brown color with ferric chloride, whereas ethanol gives blue color. Okay, so this is the test for your ceramic aldehyde and eugenol. Another test is alcohol extract when treated with phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. It produces red color due to formation of phenyl hydrazone of cinnamic aldehyde. So these are the two confirmatory tests you go for cinnamic aldehyde and for the extraction from the cinnamon. Uses, the powdered drug gives emerald green color with, okay, I'm just extracting. Okay, this is the next uses of this drug. Cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic for the cinnamon is basically used as aromatic carminative. Aroma जो produce करते हैं उसे aromatic कहते हैं. Carminative which removes the gases from your intestine, as a flavoring agent. Analgesic to which remove pain. Antiseptic, septic which remove the infection. Antirheumatic, rheumatism is antispasmodic, remove spasm as well. Domicilian, digestic, expectorant, stomach, diaphoretic, antibacterial, antifungal, etc. It stops vomiting, relief flatulence, and is given with chalk and with chalk and as an astringent for diarrhea and hemorrhage of the womb. It is also used in treatment of bronchitis, cold, palpitation, nausea, congestion, liver problem. So you can see this is so much use of cinnamon. That's why cinnamon is basically a drug which is now being used in every home for the sake of preventing oneself from COVID. Okay, everybody is using it just because of so much of properties, and it is used to treat bronchitis. Okay, so that is that is being used as a drug as such in COVID-19. So this was all about cinnamon practical with of morphology, microscopy, and extraction. So thank you for today, and thank you. We'll continue in the next chapter. Thank you so much.